Finally got one. Been out here for hours. May not even be on there anymore. Wind has been horrible today. And he's on there. There we go. We caught a fish, Ethan. It's only taken 3 hours. Hi. We're gonna go ahead and put him out live because why not? Try some live bait, huh? Okay. We might have something on this one. Or it might be snagged, I don't know. That's definitely not just my weight. Or snagged on something, that's what it's gotta be. Oh, it's gonna be forever to bring this in. It's a fish! We got a fish! What the heck? It's a fish! I did not think I had a fish. What kind of fish is that? Oh, it feels like it weighs a ton. I don't know what kind of fish it is, but there's a fish. That is a really dark fish. We'll see in a minute. Oh, there it is. All right. Hey, Boston, would you mind handing me that net? I appreciate it.
Oh, you got a catfish there.
Oh, yeah.
What do you use this thing?
Use this?
Oh, just throw it down?
Yep, just throw it on down.
Okay.
Watch out, buddy. I appreciate it.
No, I never used one of these before.
Yeah, I'll pull him right into there.
Okay, get right in there. Yeah, look at that.
Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Oh, you're welcome. What do you do with these things?
I usually let them go.
Yeah. You don't eat them or anything? Or...
Not really. This lake's pretty polluted.
It's not bad. Yeah, I know. It's a good size.
Yeah, it's not a bad one. I didn't even know he was on there. I was reeling in to change my bait out.
You had one. I see you had one. It's not bad if you don't even know how. Well, in this lake, you don't want to. I guess it is kind of what? A little bit? A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's. I know it's kind of dark. I don't know. I guess further out maybe.
It's plastics and mercury.
Lots of. Oh, then there you go. Yeah, I got that.
Dude, that's a big channel cat.
Catfish.
That's a channel. That's huge.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Jeez. Come here. Ow. Let go. Biting me.
Well,
Thanks.
Yeah.
Not bad. All right, buddy. Off you go. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I didn't even know he was on there. I was just reeling in to change the bait. All right. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Yep, he's on there. He's on there. Yep. Yeah, it's a nice one too. Let's get over here. Yeah, that's a good one. Feels like a blue or a channel the way it's kicking. Oh boy. Getting something on this too. Yeah, that always tangled, one of the two. That was a good bite. Good one. It was out there a mile too. Whoa, yeah. Oh, it's a big flatty. Yep. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. Oh, all right. Come on in, bud. Come on. Got him. Big old flatty. Oh.
Wow, look at that.
Woo.
Yeah, bait, man.
What was that?
What kind of bait did you have?
Perch head.
Boy, that's making a nice meal right there. You gonna keep them or throw them back?
Nah, I'm letting them go. There's not many of them in the lake, and they fight good, so I always let these ones go. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the hook out of his mouth though.
Is that a catfish?
Yep.
They'll swallow the hook.
Ah. It's a flathead catfish. All right, easy, buddy. Ah. Get the scale and get a weight on him.
Those things get really big.
Oh yeah. These guys get 80 plus pounds.
You see where those guys go swimming around the this? They stick their hand in.
Oh shoot. I don't know if that was a fish or the wind. It was taking it though. Nope. That was just the wind, I think. All right.
What you got?
12.1 pounds.
Not bad.
Not too bad at all. All right, buddy. All right, here.
You got a camera? You want me to take a picture?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Oh my goodness, Evan.
I gotta find it. There it is.
You show that.
There you go. Yeah, I appreciate it.
That, yeah, I
Appreciate it. All right, here we go. Try to get slime off my hands. Thank you.
All right.
All right, let's get him back in the water.
Oh, hang on, you want to pick him up?
Yeah.
Okay. The boys are totally enthralled. Oh my gosh, look at
Yeah,
look
let me
at
get
it.
mine.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Wow.
It's huge.
Ryan, look at that. What you tell Dad? My gosh.
Oh my.
Come on, guys. All right, wait. Let this gentleman take their picture first. Okay. Careful. All right. We'll keep walking.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
No problem, no problem. All right, buddy, come on.
Start swimming.
Ugh. Come on, buddy. There we go. He's going.
Oh, there he goes.
He's going to the swimming area.
He's under the fridge.
Okay, come on.
All right. Got to keep the bait too.